So we have a small little project we're working on today, getting this 300 Blackout ready for the suppressor. Changing the handguard and muzzle device and gas block, and I'll bring you guys back when it's done. Alright, so that's it. Midwest Industries 7-inch ST handguard. There's a superlative arms gas block in there. I don't know if you can see it. Then we got the QD mount for the rugged can. And here's what it looks like without the suppressor, in case you guys are wondering. Turned out pretty good.